Hey guys, Geoff here. Yaz is away, and so today number one son Alex is helping out.
I am.
Say hi, Alex.
G'day.
Today we're making honey mustard chicken breast with, I might say, a cheeky little hot sauce, which we'll introduce later. It's going to be epic. Let's get this shit on the road. What the fuck is this? Why am I doing this? All right, so chicken breast, much maligned, but an excellent weeknighter, and can be juicy if you know what the hell you're doing. It's not always dry like a lot of people tell you. So we've got 2 chicken breasts here. I have pounded them out just so that they are even, not so they're thin, just taking the kind of the fat end bit and making it so they're even, they cook even and you don't get a dry end and well, not undercooked end, but you know what I'm getting at. So a little bit of olive oil over. And I'll just grab some tongs so that I don't get all messy, Alex. And so what we're going to do, just get that in there. Beautiful. All right, so what we're going to do is just season this up with a little bit of salt. Some black pepper. I like a little bit of a coarse-ish grind, Alex, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of garlic powder just over the top, and we're going to do that to both sides. Oh, actually, I forgot. Some thyme as well. Got some thyme here, picked fresh from the garden. We'll just go over the top with that as well. And we'll just flip that. It's quite good. All right, a tiny bit more over the top. And then basically, same again, eh? Just a little bit of a cheeky business over. And that's basically it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set that aside and I'll let that kind of marinate, I guess, for about an hour or so. And then we're going to get the barbecue fired up and cook this off. In the meantime, I'm going to make a sauce to glaze over the top. How many false starts before you press record, man? My God, it's hard, people, getting quality help these days, you know what I'm saying? Okay, honey mustard glaze. So what we're gonna do while the chicken breast cooks on the barbecue, we're gonna have a little honey mustard to drape over the top. So I've got some French's here. Not my normal go-to, to be honest, but this is what happens when you send Yazzo to the fucking shops, you know what I mean? She comes back with random shit. So, I'm doing enough for 2 chicken breasts. So we'll just bung a bit in there. I guess that's, what's that, Alex? 2 tablespoons or something. That looks good. And I've got some organic honey, raw, unfiltered business. I mean, just get the good stuff, really, at the end of the day, is what I'm saying to you, I suppose. And we'll squeeze some of that in there. Probably a 50-50 kind of mix, really. That'll do. And on top of that, my new favourite company, these Kiwis, this sauce is unbelievable from New Zealand. This one's Demure Habanero. Demure, Alex. It's beautiful stuff. They've got a whole bunch of them. If you're in Australia, they sell them at Woolies. I highly recommend checking these out. They are really, really delicious. Yaz and I especially have gone through nearly a whole bottle of the, what's it called? Ferocious Reaper or Fierce Reaper or something. I'll put that on the screen. Anyway, I'm going to put a couple of drops of this in here because I want a little bit of a kick. You know what I'm saying, eh?
That's more than a couple of drops.
I don't know whether you guys can hear that. Alex, that's more than a couple of drops, Dad. All right. So we just want to give that a stir. Mix that in. All right, so you can put as much heat as you want in it, really. You can put some chili flakes in here. You can put some cayenne in here. You can put double the amount of hot sauce that I put. And we'll just give it a... Oh, look, it's got a little tickle.
Don't double dip.
Oh, double dipped.
Oh.
Isn't it lucky that you're my son and double dipping is fine? Hey. That's delicious. So just set that aside. All right, sauce made, chicken marinated. I'm going to get the gas barbecue fired up. We're going to cook on the Weber today. Going to get that fired up onto high, and we need to get it to 250 degrees before we put the chicken on, 250 Celsius that is. Before we put the chicken on, it'll be somewhere around 4 minutes aside, and we'll baste as we go. So we'll get that fired up and we'll get on to the next bit. So let's get these chicken breasts on. All right, we'll give this a turn. That's awesome. And while we're at it, we're going to give this. We'll give them a little baste with our sauce, and that's going to tack up on the grill, which is epic. Turn, and same again, we're just going to give this a baste. Beautiful, eh? Last turn, just a quick 45 seconds on the other side, and we're good to go. At this point, I'm just going to turn the heat off. So we'll just turn off everything, and I'm just going to glaze this and let it tack up, and we're pretty much good to go. Alex, I thought we were making burgers the whole time. You had burgers yesterday. Fucking hell. It's hard to please some people.
That's why I agreed to film.
Are you going to taste some, Linda? Or no, Linda's sitting in the background. All right. So this looks, look at this shit. Just a cheeky, did some fries in the air fryer. Salad from the garden. Lovely cucumbers. Those cucumbers, by the way, tiny plants, and I'm harvesting 5 off the bloody thing every day. They're little snack ones. They're beautiful. Okay, so let's give this a little. I'll tell you what we're going to do, Alex. I'm going to cut it through the middle just to show people. So tender. Look at that. So tender as well. All right, we'll give it a little taste. Dip it in the sauce. Cheers. Oh, come on. Here.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
What do you mean pretty good? What do you mean pretty good? All right, I'm getting another fork. That's it. Come here, Linda. You're having some. Our friend is here, and she's going to have a little try.
Thank you. That's a big bit. Oh, wow. Oh my God, that's so succulent. That was really good.
Yeah, see, I told you. I told you.
She's getting paid.
She's what? She's getting paid. Alex, she's getting paid. My goodness me. All right, people, that'll do for this one, I reckon. I've got a few coming up. Yazza will be back soon. I'm going to go to the island and hang out with the family for the weekend, but we'll be back. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.